I got a 2011 Chevy Malibu. Situation right now is that the hood won't stay up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take I'm gonna put this new what is it called? Strong arm. It's a lift support for your hood on this Chevy Malibu, and I'm gonna show y'all how I put it on. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pop this ring off right here. On top of this, I'll pop this little ring off. And once I get this ring off, now that the ring is off, I'm gonna set that down. I'll pull this out, and now I have freed the lift support. So now I'm going to grab the new lift support. After I put the old one down, I'm going to put that up here, and then I'm going to take my hand and knock it in there, and now the lift support is on the it's on the hood, on the top of the hood. And now that that's up there, I'm going to repeat the process. I can't get this to turn. There we go. I did get it to turn. So you might have to turn the support so you can get it on. Now right down here, I'm going to repeat the process and pull this little pin off, or this metal piece. I'll get that off and set that to the side. Then I'll take a screwdriver and lightly pull the ball off, the mount off the ball. And then I'm going to take this and hold it up to the hold it right up to the ball, and then I'm going to take my hand and I'm going to, oh man, what was that? Turn the camera off. Alright, I just want to show you all that you got to be careful here when you put this on, because as you see, when I hit this part right here to knock it on the ball, I ended up breaking the hose that goes to the reservoir that supplies your windshield with windshield wiper fluid, and I had to fix it. So just be careful there and everything will be all good. So I probably should have just took a little hammer, a small little hammer, and just hit it and knocked it on. But I used my hand and did the Bruce Lee bam, and all this stuff broke and was brittle, but I was able to fix it. So like I said, be careful there. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. It's Hood Handyman. I'm out.